Light, warm the cold night and watch the distance. Light, dazzling with heightened energy. Light, illuminating life and leading the future. There is a light, focusing on the ever-changing tide of the times, in the craftsmanship forged by times, in the endless technology of exploration, in the intelligence that connects the future. It is lighting up made in China and changing the world. Helping China's intelligent manufacturing and creating world quality. Baiwei Laser, under the call of Global Manufacturing Strategy Upgrade, accumulates more than 20 years industry crystallization with more than 334,000 square meters intelligent equipment industrial park, and builds a laser industry based on Central China and even the whole country that can blend technology and industry, conception and future, lighting the way forward for global intelligent equipment automation. 200,000 square meters of modern workshops, over 100 sets of advanced processing, testing and measuring equipment, more than 50 sets of high-precision and efficient CNC equipment and large-scale processing center. A rare full-chain independent processing production lines, one of the largest gantry processing center in industry. All of these are the proof of Baiwei Laser as the leader in China's laser cutting industry. Just as China is creating new miracles every day, Baiwei Laser has completed a qualitative leap with every equipment update and countless micro-innovations. Infusing inventiveness with ingenuity and intel technology with wisdom, adhering to the original mission of leading the laser technology application industry with strength, and continuing to innovate around the needs of customers. Baiwei Laser is moving towards a world-class intelligent equipment automation manufacturer step by step. When human dreams about laser change with the development of the times, Baiwei Laser explores every possibility of laser intelligent manufacturing with thousands of new concepts, new technologies, and new scenes. Since the establishment of Baiwei Laser, it has successively developed many products, such as closed-type fiber laser cutting machine, professional tube laser cutting machine, open-type fiber laser cutting machine, uncoiling and leveling laser production line, flexible bending center 1400p, flexible bending center 2000p, and so on. It perfectly combines art, creativity, and technology, empowers intelligent manufacturing with surging power, and constantly refreshes the power record of intelligent equipment from 1 kilowatt to 10,000 watts. With extraordinary vitality, it has been tempered over time, with speed and luxury, lighting the paths of innovation and development, and lighting the direction of industrial transformation. It can be like a heavy lift, more than big, more than constant, with stability to keep a distance and a device to determine the universe. It can be like a masterpiece, with innate intelligence and interest, reluctant to give up the classics, exquisite close at hand, and accommodating time and space. It can be welding wisdom, ingenious inheritance, minimalist design, efficient and profitable. Each product is perfectly presented. Behind the details, there is the firm heart of Baiwei Laser to help Chinese manufacturing. From manufacturing to intelligent manufacturing, Baiwei Laser's product road is not only the innovative road of bright and shiny intelligent manufacturing, but also the evolutionary road of creating its own world and era. When we roam in the long history of more than 5,000 years, when we travel in the splendid industrial civilization, we see that Baiwei laser, like a bright light in the era, is being discovered in every innovation road, is being seen on every manufacturing territory, and it is encountering more rays of light, converging into the light of the world like the rising sun in the east.